How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. And in this episode, I'm changing the oil on my 2000 Honda Core, and I'm not gonna go in detail on that. This is the first time that I'm gonna remove everything from my oil catch can. You can see there, that's my oil catch can. First time that I'm gonna remove everything. We're gonna see how it looks and see if the oil catch can is doing her job. And this right here is the steel wool that I'm gonna use for my oil catch can. And whatever you see in this video is not sponsored. I pay for this with my own money. But if you have an oil catch can, when you have to change the oil, you have to do the maintenance to the oil catch can as well. So we're gonna remove everything, the whole steel wool that is inside, and we're gonna put this one. And that's the main reason why I'm doing this video, so you guys can see what we have in the oil catch can. So first thing that I'm gonna do, drain the oil, remove the filter, and I have a video for beginners on how to change your oil. So I'm gonna put the link from that video in the description, and you can check that out. And this is really easy to do, so I'm just gonna do it, and then we're gonna go to the oil catch can. So there you have it. The oil is being removed. Only thing that I have to do now, start working on the oil catch can. Okay, guys, we have the oil catch can in here, and you can see in there we have a bunch of oil in there. So we're gonna remove it and we'll see how it looks. Now I'm gonna open my oil catch can from the bottom to remove the whole steel wool and replace it with a new one. And so far, if you can see, we have all that since our first installation. And when I installed this one, I did the oil change. I put the oil catch can, and I make a video on 1,000 miles after installing the oil catch can. So that day I removed a little bit, but since that day and after 7,000 miles, you can see. And this is not all. I'm just gonna open the oil catch can from the bottom to replace the whole steel wool. So we're probably gonna get some more. But if you can tell, this is the amount of I will say oil and contaminants from the engine that we stop from getting back into the engine. So oil catch can work, yes, they do work, but like I said before, probably this is something that people don't want to do because it's more maintenance due to the car. But with this, the intake is gonna be cleaner, and you can see how crazy it is. So let's remove everything and we'll see how it looks inside. So there you have it, guys. This is what I removed from the oil catch can. You can see it's kind of messy here, but the whole idea of having the oil catch can is to avoid all this going into the engine. Okay, service is almost ready, and you can see here all the stuff that we get after 7,000 miles. I know for a fact that by doing this is what we prevent from going back into the engine. So car should run cleaner. By removing the intake, you can tell how much stuff there is in there. Now by doing this, we avoid some of the stuff to get into the engine, but that's the proof right there. It works. I'm really happy with having a oil catch can in this vehicle, and that's the main thing that I wanted to do to all my vehicles. So that's it for this video, guys. Really easy to do installation on the oil catch can. I'm gonna put the link on that video too on the description, and I'll put the link for the video when I did the 1,000 miles after oil catch can. I'm gonna put those two videos on it, and I'm gonna put the video for the oil change. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. Stay tuned, a lot more things are coming. Yesterday I get in the mail some new parts. I'm just waiting in some more, and I make a video not too long ago when I put my test pipe, but I don't have enough crackles and pop-ups, so guess what? So I'm gonna leave it like that. You guys know what's coming, and thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Peace.